Oh my gosh.
If that's 5th place, I can't believe it.
So 5th place, we have
6th
Bill
place.
Robertson.
This is 5th.
That was like CrossFit meets skateboarding right there.
Yeah.
Bill Robertson at 57 years old, 44 years skating. 5th place in the Masters Pros. Dr. Bill.
Yeah.
My eyes can't keep up with what is happening on this skateboard. I'm trying.
Need a half speed run.
Yes.
Dude, this guy's got like 5 degrees in physics, right? Like Dr. Skateboard, and then he does TED Talks and relating skateboarding to physics and math.
Oh,
and, informing kids. Yeah, that was beautiful. I'll shut up.
That's so cool. We have so many educators in the Masters Pros and Masters AMs, right? A lot of people working in education who are also freestylers, seems like. So cool to see people passing on their knowledge, their skills. Oh man, quick footwork, another kickflip. Ooh,
yes.
Kickflip back to regular stance.
Get that M80. Oh,
1 foot.
Not easy. Let's see, Casper
Nice.
Disaster, classic one from Bill. Bill's from El Paso, Texas. He's a
So much-
professor at University of Texas, El Paso as well.
So much speed too.
Yeah, skating fast. Oh, G-turn.
Nice. Oh, sick.
There's that M80. Ending with the 1 foot spins. Ooh.
Dude.
Classic
Oh,
Bill.
wow.
That's so awesome.
Like a textbook freestyle routine. What do you think, Gabe? Are you
That
keeping your
was
brain in right now? Is it blowing your mind too much?
You know, I'm really trying to keep my brain in one piece right now, and these guys are blowing it apart. Seriously, that was